Alright, here students, let's try to find missing digits here. Again, we are looking at the ink that has covered this equation, this calculation, and the ink represents unknown digits, missing digits. So we are here to find out all the possibilities for this calculation. So let's take a look. We'll do this calculation vertically. So write it out. 240 something plus 130 something equals to 381. Okay, as you can see, these two unknowns here, add together, you get a 1. Can it be 0 plus 1 equals to 1? Well, most likely yes. Let's try this out. If I put a 0 here and a 1 here, it equals to 1, which is correct. Let's take a look at the tens place. 4 plus 3 equals to 8. Now, there's something that we miss out here. 4 plus 3 is 7. Cannot equal to 8, meaning there should be a 1 that has been carried forward. So instead of 1, it should actually be 11. Now that we know this is an 11, then it should not be 0 plus 1. It should be something plus something equals to 11. So let's take this off. So let's find out. Let's start with the largest number. 11 plus 0 equals to 11. This looks okay. Let's try putting it in here. 11 plus 0. But can I put 11 in ones place? Can I put 2 digits in ones place? I can't do that. So 11 is wrong. Let's cancel this out. Let's start with 10. Now 10 plus 1 is also 11, but this fact cannot fit in 10 here because it's ones place and there is only 1 digit. So 10 is wrong. We'll cancel this out. Now let's look for the next possibility. 9. 9 plus 2 equals to 11. So 9 plus 2, 1 digit, it should fit the ones place. So 9 plus 2 is okay. This is good. Now let us try the next possibility. 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 also equals to 11. And here we find that we can fit 8 and 3 as well. Right. Now let's look at the next possibility. 7 plus 4. Now as we move on, you can see a pattern. You see, this column is decreasing by 1. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. And this column, there's a pattern and it's increasing. So let's see, 7 plus 4 equals to 11. So I can fit 7 and 4 and I make 247 and 134, which is correct. Let's try the next option. 6 plus 5. So if I put 6 here, I get 246. If I put the 5 here, I get 135, which is also correct. Now let's do the next one. After 6, what should it be? The descending pattern? It should be a 5. Now 5 plus 6 gives you 11. 5. If I put the 5 here, I'll get a different number as just now. Just now when I put 6 here, I got 246. Now when I put the 5 here, I get 245. So this is also another option. Let's continue. After 5, the pattern decreases and it becomes 4. 4 plus 7 gives you 11. So this should also fit here. Even though you can see that there is a repetitive pattern. 7 plus 4, 4 plus 7, they are the same because addition is commutative, right? So 5 plus 6 is also 6 plus 5. Yeah, it is commutative, but we must remember that when we put the numbers in these positions, in the ones place, they form a different number. So we must continue on until we reach the last number. After 4, we go on with 3, and 3 pairs with 8. This should work as well. As long as they are single digits, you can fit them in the ones place. Next on, 2 plus 9. And that's it. No more. Because if we go on to 1, it'll be 10. Okay, so here we complete everything. So these are all the possibilities. I hope you have learned something today. If you have not, then please watch the video again.